Hey everyone, today we are going to explore one of the most important building block in modern development, JSON formatting. Whether you are working with API, database or even AI models, well-formatted JSON plays a key role in making a data clean, structured and ready to action. I am Sangharsh from JD College of Engineering, Computer Science Department. This presentation is prepared under the guidance of Dr. Amit Velekar Sir, and I am excited to walk you through a practical power of JSON formatting and how it even connects a cutting-edge topics like prompt engineering. Let's jump in. First, what is JSON? JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. It is a text-based format used to store and exchange structured data like user profiles, product information, and app settings. You will find JSON almost everywhere in web API, configure files, server responses, and even AI systems. It's easy to read, easy to write, and most importantly, easy to machine to first. JSON uses two main structures: objects and arrays. Objects, which stores data as a key value pairs, and arrays, which holds list of values. These simple structures allow developers to organize data in a clear and powerful way. Now, let's talk about formatting. By default, JSON can be very compact, great for machines, but not always ideal for people like us trying to read and debug it. That's why proper formatting with spacing, indentation, and line breaks makes a big difference. It helps you to read nested data easily, spot bugs faster, share and maintain code more effectively, and generate a clean logs and reports. Basically, formatted JSON is equal to the peace of mind. Let's look at an example. Here's some raw unformatted JSON. Now imagine working with hundreds of lines like that. Tough, right? Now look at the formatted version. Each key and value has its own line. The structure is clear and your brain can relax a little, much better. Here's a quick before and after comparison. The left side is a raw dump, packed, messy and hard trace. The right side is a clean and structured. Every detail stands out. And when you are debugging or collaborating with a team, that clarity is priceless. Good news, you don't need to format JSON by hands. Browsers like Chrome and Firefox have built-in dev tools. IDEs like VS Code and PyCharms format JSON automatically. You can use online tools like JSONlit or JSON Formatter organization, and if you are coding in Python, just use json.dump data with the indent as 2. Done. Now, let's shift gears a little and talk about something exciting: prompt engineering. Today, AI tools like ChatGPT aren't just answering questions, they are generating structured data too. And what format do we often use for that? JSON, of course. Let's say you are designing a customer service bot. You prompt it like this: extract the customer's name, issue, urgency from this message and return it in a JSON format. The AI might respond with something like this, right? This kind of structured response can trigger the right workflow, maybe even escalate the issue automatically. That's the power of JSON in prompt engineering. And here are other real world uses of JSON formatting in prompt engineering, like tool function calling, prompt chaining, response scoring, metadata tagging, and last, front-end UI display. Basically, JSON is the bridge between the natural language and automation. So, to wrap it up, JSON might look simple, but with the proper formatting, it becomes superpower for developers, data engineers, and even a prompt designers. For debugging app to designing intelligent system, JSON helps keep your data clear, useful, and ready to work with. Thanks a lot for listening. I am Sangharsh, and I hope this helped you to see JSON formatting in a whole new light. Thanks.